MarcoPolo Nature Reserve.
One of beauty of the nature is flowers. From the geraniums of cranesbill flowers to Dahlia Pinnata plant, all of this make the nature beautiful and more interesting. From the other side, Apis Cerana, one kind of bees, make the flower more beautiful and interesting. They surrounded the Brugmansia Aurea, that is one of the American flower, and make pollination process. Brugmansia Aurea, known as Angels Trumpet too. As its name suggests, the Angels Trumpet has enormous flared flowers, which are pollinated by night-flying moths. To attract these moths, the plant produces an intense fragrance. Both scent production and flower opening are under circadian control. The flowers are closed and lack fragrance during the day, but open and emit scent in the evening. For most animals, the plant is highly poisonous. Interestingly, some caterpillars that eat the plant are unaffected by the poison, instead storing it until they metamorphose into a butterfly. The stored poison is still active against other animals and deters predators. The nectar contains scopolamine, an alkaloid which is somewhat poisonous to bees, which is another way in which the plant limits the range of pollinators which visit it. If you like our video, hit the like button and please support us by subscribing. Don't forget to push the ring for our latest videos and leave us your beautiful comment below.